Your road test could be over before it even begins. Before you ever put your car in drive, the DMV road examiner will perform a vehicle inspection. One small issue could mean an automatic cancellation. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they're looking for. The first thing you'll need is proof that the vehicle is properly registered and insured, and you'll need to bring both of these with you into the office upon checking in. It sounds simple, but on testing day, misplaced documents can quickly become a problem. To make this easier, we suggest keeping everything in a registration and insurance holder, so you're never scrambling at the DMV. The link is in the description. Once you've checked in, you'll leave the office and direct the examiner to your vehicle, where they will begin checking key safety controls. The examiner will press the brake pedal to ensure it feels firm and responsive, and they'll also turn the steering wheel to confirm the vehicle can be controlled safely. The examiner will then inspect several important safety features. You'll be asked to activate your left turn signal, right turn signal, and brake lights. They'll also ask you to honk the horn to make sure it's functioning properly. While checking these items, the examiner will typically walk around the vehicle and inspect the tires. They're looking for tires that appear safe and in good condition. If your windshield has significant cracks that obstruct the driver's view, the examiner may terminate the test before it even starts. This is one of the most overlooked reasons a road test can be cancelled. The vehicle inspection only takes a few minutes, but it does determine whether you're allowed to take your road test. A little preparation can help your road test start smoothly and keep you focused on what matters most, which is showing the examiner that you're ready to drive safely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more driving tips, and check out the link in the description to grab your registration and insurance holder today.